Hello, my name is Dr. Loretta Ciraldo, board-certified dermatologist and author of 6 Weeks to Sensational Skin. This is all about how to have healthy, radiant skin. And basically, we all remember seeing babies, being with babies, and what we love is to have that baby, smooth, silky skin that really has almost a certain luminosity to it. And the two biggest tips that I'm going to give you about having radiant skin would be, first of all, stop using soap if you are using it, because soap tends to dry out our skin, and get a good non-soap cleanser like my Duo Cleanse, where you're going to have 2% salicylic acid that will really take away all the dead skin at the surface so that your living, more radiant skin can come out. And then secondly, to use a product like my Youthful Radiance. And what this does is this actually replaces the very moisture-trapping molecules that babies have in abundance. And one use of it will really give you a more radiant skin for a whole 6 hours after a single application. This is Dr. Loretta Ciraldo.